This autumn's gonna be hella creepy, I'd say. Wouldn't surprise me if zombies started showing up. So I heard through the grapevine you went with Billy the Fridge. Well, you can tell him what I said about zombies.
Billy, 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 can't you see? Somehow your songs just hypnotize me. Got some questions for you.
Hey, what's up, Roots? Billy here again. You're talking about the clown, the killer clown song I did. I'm friends with some clowns, so it's not that bad, you know. They're super creepy, but they're also friendly, so it's not that bad. But joking about the zombie apocalypse, the CDC has used like a zombie scenario as a way to deal with a massive disease outbreak, because a lot of the things you would want to do in a zombie apocalypse would be what you'd want to do during a disease outbreak, except we're actually in a disease outbreak right now. So joking about that is a little crazy, but beyond that, Russia says they have the cure for coronavirus, and the way 2020 is going, that could be extinction level event where we actually the cure makes us zombies. A Russian cure for coronavirus, it's pretty much begging to be the beginning of the zombie apocalypse. Tell me I'm wrong. Tell me I am wrong. I actually really hope I'm wrong. Please tell me I'm wrong. Please. Please. Shout out to your brother. Peace.
Oh man, I'm so pissed off. I just died. That was cute. I'm so pissed off. Billy the Fridge. It's not his fault, but he was trying to be comforting. It didn't really help. It's just gonna give me nightmares and shit. Zombie takeovers, like he said, they're nothing to joke about. So, I don't know what to do, man. It's getting crazy. It's getting... Oh man, come on. Do I have to have bad luck in this also? So, we're not, I'm not gonna ever see a truck at Walmart without a boomstick. Yeah, people are gonna start having boomsticks again, like from Dukes of Hazzard days. Mario's not liking what I'm saying right now. You believe I'm about to get a game over. Yeah, we're not... People are gonna need boomsticks just to go to Walmart, and they're gonna probably buy up all the toilet paper again. And it's getting ready to be flu season. So it's like a double whammy. Twice the fuckery. Billy. Save the world.